the next subchapter for the page title, header, and footer. So that is I put them into the part 3. So we will learn 3 keywords. One is the title, another is just the header footer. So this is our simple diagram we are going to draw. So in the middle, the content is not too much important. We just use the two message for this sequence diagram. But this title, footer, header are interesting part. So to myself, practice is before I learn, I can use a header footer. I just have all the descriptions in this title line, but once it's able to put into the footer, you can make your title line is cleaner. So let's do this quick, the demo. So within this folder, let's create 01_10 dot. Actually, one is the PlantUML, or you can use the short is the PUML. So that also accepted by the extension. So you can have that is let's make the start UML and UML. And let's make that previewing. So these are two extensions. You can use both. But to make that clear, as I intend to use PlantUML, but if in short, that is also fine. So first is we can have our title. Title is the example title. So when you have that, you can see here, it just have our title line. So I believe this title, footer, header is can be commonly used by other type of the diagram. But when we learn more after the sequence diagram, we can have a try. So first is let's make the actor Alice, and yeah, so since they are the person, so let's make them as an actor. And then Alice send message to Bob is the hello, and Alice get response from Bob, thanks, hello. So we have this basic one. Now you can see that your title is here. And you can put header footer before or after. That is not more difference. So let's see, we have a header. So we can have this page header. So that header will be coming into the upper right. I believe we can have some the settings configurations, but now let's leave that. So you can have the footer. For example, is you can have page number. So that is the end version. So first is like is version 0. Normally is we put on the footer, and then we use this page. With this, you remember we use this on the auto number. So when you have that percentage before and after, you convert that as our variable. So now is the page is also a variable that we can read. So that is the page 1. And another is the not the total page, is the last page. So last page will be the maximum page number. So if later we learn is how we can split the diagram into multiple pages, then this last page will have a more relevant, then that will give you the different number to the current page. So now you can see the effect is a title just above your the diagram, and the header is here, footer is here. So that is make your the diagram is more professional now. So and then again, so once we have this, let's back to here. We we are now have different extension, but this extension, if you use Control Shift P, so it's still recognized by the extension. So then is I just return. There is generate this PNG file. So now is I will put this file here. So that is our last the sample within this 0101 to 0110 group. So from next video, so let me come to here. So we already finished this page header, footer, and title. That means we finished 1 point, yeah, so here should be 10. And then next we will move to the part 4. I put that is this is the immediately we will see how we can split diagram and how we can group message and how we can make the second group labels. So this is a short video, but I hope is you learn this title, footer, header as our common tools or weapons for your multiple these diagrams within the PlantUML. So we will practice that later, and I will starting to add these SR metadata in the following diagrams, so that is get more readabilities by the user. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.